You might think so, until you realize it's been used as medicine for thousands of years. And here's what most people miss. We eat garlic all the time, but rarely think about how to eat it for real health benefits. Today I'll show you 6 incredible changes garlic brings to your body and how to eat it in the smartest way without the smell or stomach discomfort. 6 powerful health benefits of garlic. 1. Boosts immunity. Garlic contains allicin, a powerful compound that fights off bacteria and viruses. Great for flu season or when you feel run down. 2. Improves blood circulation. Allicin helps dissolve clots, relaxes blood vessels, and lowers blood pressure naturally. 3. Fights cancer cells. Sulfur compounds in garlic may slow the growth of cancer cells, especially in the stomach and colon. 4. Supports liver health. Garlic boosts detox enzymes, protecting your liver from toxins or alcohol. 5. Balances cholesterol. It lowers bad LDL cholesterol while helping raise the good HDL type. 6. Reduces fatigue. Garlic supports metabolism and helps the body recover from tiredness faster. How should you eat garlic? Roasted garlic. One of the easiest and most delicious ways. Wrap a garlic bulb in foil and roast it at 400 F for 30 minutes. The garlic becomes soft, sweet, and spreadable. Great on toast with chicken or mashed potatoes. It's gentler on your stomach and has very little odor. Yes, some allicin is lost, but it's worth it for the comfort. Garlic in cooking. Use it in garlic butter, stir fries, pasta, or on steak. Cooking reduces the strong bite, but still gives flavor and mild health benefits. Black garlic. Aged and fermented, sweet, chewy, and rich in antioxidants. It has no odor and goes well with cheese, salads, or snacks. Garlic supplements. Odorless garlic pills or garlic oil capsules are popular in the U.S. They're convenient, but check the label to make sure they actually contain allicin. What about raw garlic? Yes, it's the most potent. Raw garlic is packed with allicin, but the taste is sharp, and it can upset your stomach. If you want to try it, chop 1 clove and eat it with honey or yogurt, never on an empty stomach. Common misconception: is more garlic always better? Actually, no. Too much garlic can cause heartburn, nausea, and even thin your blood. Stick to 1 or 2 cloves a day. Balance is key. Easy American meals with garlic. Garlic roasted chicken. Garlic butter shrimp. Mashed potatoes with roasted garlic. Homemade garlic bread. Final thoughts. Garlic isn't just seasoning. It's nature's medicine. When you eat it right, it can protect your heart, liver, and immune system. Roasted, fermented, cooked, or in capsule form. Choose what fits your life. Start small. Stay consistent. Let garlic do its work.